you're having fun. You start with little stories and end up in a mess. When the game gets tough, you shrug and act so cold, just like a hiding rat. But I'll find you, truth be told. Hey kid, don't make me lose my edge. It'll be worse than before. Woo! Look me in the eye, stop talking trash. Now I weigh your soul and all your pain. The game is over, the truth is in my hand. Don't you hide, don't you run far. Hey, don't run far. This day is far from over. What a way to call it out. If the question has been settled, don't you whine and man up now. Oh, hey kid, don't make me lose my edge. It'll be worse than before. Look me in the eye, stop talking trash. Now I weigh your soul and all your pain. Hey, the game is over, the truth is in my hand. Don't you hide, don't you run far. The boss is walking away, stumbling up the stairs. I shout and you start running. Chio, Chio! You're out of here. Chio, Chio! You're out of here. Man up now. Don't run far. Chio, Chio! Don't you hide. Man up now. Don't push my edge.